Hello and welcome, I am the Danish Looter and today I'll be opening Loot Crate Star Wars. In celebration of the new Star Wars movie The Force Awakens, Loot Crate put out this special limited edition crate, which should only have Star Wars related items inside and exclusive and all that jazz. It does say that it is a limited edition, but it doesn't have a number on it anywhere. For you guys who saw my last, that was the New York Comic-Con limited edition Loot Crate, there was a number on it. I can't remember the number, but it was something of 10,000. So there was only 10,000 of that particular crate. This one says that it's limited. Maybe it's the period of time where you can get it that's limited, but as far as the number on the box or crate as you want, there is none. But it is huge. Look at this box. It is huge. In comparison, I took one of the normal Loot Crate boxes. There you go. You can see it can almost fit like 4 times inside. And for another comparison, the Star Wars Smuggler's Bounty box can also be like, well, almost 3 times inside. Well, this is a bit thicker than this. But yeah, it's still quite huge. And I'm very excited to see what's inside. So, I'm gonna put it over here. And let's get a knife and see what's inside. Whoa! I gotta show you this, guys. Where is it? Look at that awesome box art inside. That is so cool. But let's have a look. Oh, looks like they have a t-shirt. Should we wait for it for last? Nah, let's just see what it is. And we got some very exciting stuff down here. Oh, that is a nice material. Oh, it's not a t-shirt. It's got long sleeves, or kind of long sleeves. But it's BB-8. A very, very simple shirt. And I do believe that the shirt was spoiled before the box came out. So everybody should know about this. It is an awesome shirt though. Look at that. Very good. Nice. Nice. We have a little card that looks like the Millennium Falcon. I won't show you the back because that is the spoiler of what is inside. Woo! Next up we have no glue needed. Oh. Holy crap, that is detailed. It is a sorry. It is a Middle Earth 3D model kit of Kylo Ren's command shuttle. You can kind of see the picture right there if the camera would focus on that and not my fingers or the background. There you go. And if you can kind of see on the plate right there, it is detailed. Like, it is really detailed. And apparently you can get 4 different ones. I don't know if this particular one was exclusive to Loot Crate. Why, come on. Or everybody could get one of each of these 4 in the box. But this is cool. This is very cool. Nice. Next up. It is a hat. Oh, that is comfy. But it's very tight. Maybe for a bit smaller head than me, but it is awesome nonetheless. And it says Star Wars on it, and it has the AT-AT walkers on there. And it is Christmas colorish, so red, green, white and black. That is cool. Oh, let's see here. And it does say that it is a Loot Crate exclusive. So I guess all the items are exclusives. It doesn't say on this one though if it's an exclusive or not. But, and did it say on this one? Oh, it doesn't really look like it. Anyways, next up we have a scarf. Oh, it's stuck on the middle. There we go. Oh my god, it's huge! And it is also amazingly awesome. Also in the Christmas themed color. Saying Star Wars. And it has the symbols from the new movie so far. There we go. That is awesome. Well, it's too hot in here to keep it on, but very cool. I'm gonna put this on. I have movie tickets to the 28th. There we go. Force Awakens, the 28th of December. I'm gonna take this on to the movies. And that was a Loot Crate exclusive. There you go. That was the thing I pulled off. Next up we have, it looks like a pouch or a fanny pack. It is also a Loot Crate exclusive. And I think it's just some kind of pouch where you got, oh, this is madness. R2D2, C3PO, Luke Skywalker. You have some text and symbols inside from Star Wars. Kinda neat, but normally you don't look into pouches, so unnecessary. You have a little pocket down there and a pocket on the outside. go. It's good for, I guess, toilet stuff or cosmetics if you're a girl. So, and it has the Ripple Alliance logo right there. Very cool, very neat. And we're not done yet, because we have a Star Wars, and it says Vader down. Loot Crate exclusive variant cover, so it's only the cover that is exclusive, and you can see Vader inside the window of the spaceship, like, pew! You can't hit me with your... You can't hit me with your lasers. Pew! Okay, I'm not very good at voices, but that is cool. It's not boarded very good. It is bagged. But yeah. Mine already have a broken corner. Too bad. But that is awesome. Very cool. And we're not done yet, because there's a snowball. Where did I put that knife? And how do I even... Oh wow! Loot Crate, come on! There we go. Woo! Woo, that smells! Woo, that smells! Oh! That has been painted recently because... Wow, it reeks. But that is a BB-8 cup. Very cool. You can drink all your coffee or tea or whatever liquid you're drinking. That is quite nice. Don't know what happened to the paint job though, because that is not a circle. And neither are the other one. That is just poor paint job right there. But anyways, it's a mark. It is cool. Don't know if it is an exclusive. It does say Star Wars down at the bottom. There you go, made in China. It's kind of cool though, and it is a ceramic, so that's nice. Gonna put that, yeah. And we're not done yet. We have... What is this? It has funny pictures on it. It says Star Wars and it says Little Golden Book Library. Oh, what? You can see on the side right there. There's like symbols on there. I gotta see what this is. It says book library, so I guess it's small books of some kind. And they are golden indeed. There we go. Oh! Oh, that is cool. It is each of the movies, but as a book. Can you see it right there? You have Revenge of the Sith. We have The Phantom Menace. We have The Empire Strikes Back. Return of the Jedi. Attack of the Clones. And A New Hope. Those are awesome. Pew pew pew! Boom! So it's just the small books explaining each of the movies, I guess. And they have a golden back, which is kind of cool. So they will look nice on the shelf. That is a cool item. There we go. Oh, they were on this side as well. I didn't see that. Anyways, they were also on the back. that is cool. Looks like we have one more item. And it is a box that says Star Wars Darth Vader. There's tape. That's right. What? It's a Darth Vader potato head! Oh my god, that's hilarious! No way! Hang on. Oh, this is fun. We have his arms right here. There you go. That is so funny. Oh my god, he's cool. That is no doubt the best item in the box. Holy crap, that is funny. And I guess, yeah, you can take everything off. So now it's Darth Vader unmasked. So now he's an exclusive, and I will sell him for $1,000 on the eBay. No, I won't. I won't sell this guy because he is hilarious. Wow, that is cool. And with the cape, and that is fun. That is so fun. His lightsaber is it's a bit crooked. I guess you can fix that, but that is so cool. Oh my god, this is fun. Sorry. I got a bit carried away, but he is awesome. There's a Darth Vader. Oh, and there was a potato head on the box right there. It doesn't really say if this is an exclusive says Loot Crate right there in the box, so I guess that is a Loot Crate exclusive. So you guys out there who didn't get this box, I am sorry for you, because this is totally worth it. That is so much fun. And I think that is it. I tried lifting these things up, but there's nothing underneath. So that was it for this huge Loot Crate. We had, if you can't remember, the very funny Darth Vader Potato Head. Oh my god, that is hilarious. I think I'm gonna keep this guy on my desk. He's not going on the shelf. He's gonna stand right here next to my screen, looking at me and just reminding me that the Force is out there, and somewhere is your father. I don't know. We had an awesome comic book, variant cover. Careful. We had the 6 small books, golden books. Very cool. I'm gonna look into those a bit later. And we have the scarf. The scarf, which I'm definitely going to wear, maybe with this hat, on the 28th when I'm going to see the movie Force Awakens. There we go. That is awesome. That is awesome. We had the totally awesome shirt with sleeves and BB-8 on it. We had the metal build-it-yourself 3D model thing of Kylo Ren's command shuttle. That is cool. We had a pouch for all your stuffy, maybe on your journeys or travels. Very cool. And we had the mug, the BB-8 mug. That is awesome. Oh, that is stiff. I'm gonna keep that over there. And I'm just gonna check that I did not miss anything. The beanie hat, yes. The comic book, yes. The mug, yes. Oh! It says here that the mug... Oh, come on. The mug was 1 in 3. I wonder what the other one... Oh! God! You could have gotten a Darth Vader one. Or a Kylo Ren. You can see him right up over there. Come on. There is the Darth Vader and the Kylo Ren. Oh, I would so much have loved to get the Darth Vader one. Oh well. We got the golden books, yes. We got the shirt, yes. We had the Mr. Potato Head, yes. The scarf, yes. The pouch and the 3D model. And apparently you could get a Funko Hikari K3PO limited edition, but only 20 random selected crates got it, and I was not one. So sad. But oh well. And this card is actually pretty cool as well. It is the Millennium Falcon, like a schematic thingy. So that is quite cool as well. Wow! I am so pumped and ready to go see the movie now. Because this was just awesome. The price for this box was $100. but I think you actually get your value for it. There is a ton of items in here, and I bet if you look them all up, they will exceed the $100 for sure. So no problemo there. I've had a ton of problems. I guess because of the season and Christmas and Xmas and all that. So delivery has been a pain. Some of the boxes I didn't even get. Collector Corps somehow messed up my payment again. We figured that out, so they're gonna after ship the December box, which should be Guardians of the Galaxy, I believe. So that should be on the way, and I'm kind of excited to see what is inside of that. And Pop in a Box has been laid. I got an official email saying that they did whatever they could, and I know they do. So that is good. I actually got 3 Pop in a Box figures in today, so gotta find time to unbox them for you guys. But it is almost Christmas, and I got a ton of stuff to do because I'm hosting Christmas this year. So, but I will do my best to get a video up shortly. This has been a long video, so I won't take more of your time. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope I'll see you guys next time. Bye!